mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Saturday, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 90s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Sunday, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 90s. The Texas Commission on Environmental Quality has issued an ozone action day for the Dallas-Fort Worth area for Monday. Atmospheric conditions are expected to be favorable for producing high levels of ozone air pollution in the Dallas-Fort Worth area on Monday. You can help prevent ozone pollution by sharing a ride, walking, riding a bicycle, taking your lunch to work, avoiding drive-through lanes, conserving energy, and keeping your vehicle properly tuned. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas.